Hey guys, my name is Bhaskar and today in this video I'm going to be showing you how to create long animated artwork showcase for your Steam profile using softwares like Adobe Photoshop and Adobe After Effects. So now without wasting our time, let's get started. Even if you're using these softwares for the first time, you do not need to worry. What you have to do is follow this video and you are good to go. So let's start. So the first thing you need is go to open your web browser and then go to your Steam profile, go to Inventory, Steam, select the background that you want. I'm gonna use this one. Now there click on view full size and then copy its URL. Now go to steam.design, paste the URL which you had just copied and click on change background. After doing that, click on download images button right here and you'll download a zip file. You can extract the zip file somewhere. I've extracted the zip file already on my desktop right here. Now the next thing you need is the artwork showcase template. You can go to YouTube and find a lot of artwork showcase for your Steam profile. For now I'm gonna use one made by Sibuna. I'll give his channel link in the video description and even the artwork showcase artwork template download link in the video description. After downloading the template from the video description, what you have to do is open After Effects, go to File, go to Open Project and open the template which you had just downloaded right here. After doing that, what you have to do is open the folder that you had just downloaded, drag and drop the artwork middle file in the project panel and then onto your timeline. Now what you have to do is check the resolution of these two files, which is the main composition and the artwork middle file. You can click on the file and check the resolution written right above it. And now you have to make sure that the resolution of both these files is same. If they are not same, what you have to do is check out the resolution of the artwork middle file, right click on the main composition and then click on the composition settings. Enter the resolution of the artwork middle file, which is 506 by 930 and uncheck the box and click on OK. After doing that, what you have to do is select the name option in the timeline. Move the slider where you can find the text written and you can double click on the text to edit the text you want. You can write anything you want for your Steam profile. So I'm gonna simply select the text file, double click on it and enter welcome visitor. You can choose any font you want. And then you can move the slider to edit the next text, which is the name, and then you can enter your name. So I'm gonna simply type electricity and there you go. Now what you have to do is go to the file menu, go to export and then click on add to render queue, click on lossless and in the format you have to select PNG sequence. Click OK and then in the output select it, desktop and give it a name and then click on the save button. Then click on the render button. After the file is successfully rendered, open Photoshop, click on the file menu and then open the animated box which you have just rendered. Click on the first image and then check the box image sequence and then click OK and then OK. After doing that, go to the window option in the toolbar and click on timeline. You can press the space bar on the keyboard to let it play once like this. Now simply go to file menu again, export and click on save for web legacy. Make sure the option is selected as GIF right here, and in the looping options you have to select it to forever right here. Make sure the file size is less than 8 MBs and then click on save button. You can save it anywhere you want. After the file is successfully rendered, you can go to your Steam profile again, go to artworks, click on upload artwork, not game specific, give your artwork a title, so I'm gonna use middle new, Choose the file which you had just saved on your desktop, which is this one, the GIF file. Now what you have to do is right click somewhere on the page, go to inspect element, go to console and paste the code which will be given in the video description and hit enter. Check the box I certify that I created this artwork and click on save. Now you have to upload the right part of the artwork showcase as well, so go to artwork showcase again, choose upload artwork, not game specific, give your artwork a title, write new, choose the file from the folder you had just downloaded from steam.design, select the right artwork, go to inspect element again, console, paste the code which you had just copied from the video description, check the box and click on save and continue. Now both of your artworks are finally uploaded, so what you have to do is go to your Steam profile, go to edit profile, in the profile background select the background that you have used in this process, select both the artworks which you have just uploaded, scroll down and go to save changes. So now when you will go back to your Steam profile, you will see that both your artworks are finally uploaded. So that's it for this video guys. I hope you liked it. Please like, comment and share it with your friends. Have fun. Bye bye.